Nipple hair. Nipple hair. Nipple hair. We gotta get rid of all your nipple hair. Hey, good afternoon.
Hey, Doc.
How you doing?
Good. Look.
Oh, look how big she's getting, huh?
There's something I wanted to talk to you about that I'm pretty concerned about.
Okay, what's that?
Well, I have quite a bit of unwanted nipple hair.
Nipple hair. Nipple hair. I see. Yeah, we actually refer to that as Nipoculus forboculus, and that concerns you.
Well, I don't know, is it affecting her feeding or not?
Yeah, it's actually quite common. We got to get rid of all your nipple hair.
Okay.
Now, the good news is I do have something that is quick and simple, effective. It's the hottest new procedure in town, and I can do it for you today in just a few minutes.
Oh, yes.
You want to do it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Fantastic.
First, I'm gonna need you to bite down on this really hard. So what's your pain tolerance like? This is also gonna smell really bad.